All right, so your NanoVNA, it comes with these little things, and they go everywhere. They fall on the floor, and you put them in a box, and you lose them because everything looks the same. Okay, so what do you want? You want this. Look at that. You can put your little parts in here, and so I designed this little thing to hold all of your loads and opens and stuff, and you can print it on your 3D printer, and there you go. So I will make available the files. I'll put them on my GitHub site for you to print your own. But yeah, there you go. Pretty simple. But if I get it focused a little closer, it just has little hexagonal cutouts, and yeah, there you go. So if you go to github.com IMSAI guy, you will find a repository, and this one that's called VNA Cal Standard Holder. And inside there you'll get a VNA 3MF, which you can open in something like, I use a Prusa slicer. So you can open up this little VNA thing, and yeah, there you go. You can spin it around, take a look at it, and you can slice it, and then you can take a look at how all of the slicing is done, and make a file for your 3D printer. So yeah, there you go.